to the world.
Today I'm going to show you how to take apart your Sega Genesis Nomad. Now what you're going to need is a standard Phillips head screwdriver and a really long security bit, which you could probably find on Amazon or eBay. Just make sure that the thread is really fine. First off, turn it over, and what you're going to need to do is take the regular screws out of these four ends. This one here in the middle is a security bit. Let's do that now. Alright, now that you have those four screws taken out, you're going to want to apply your security bit. There it is. Let's put those screws to the side. Now when you open this up, you want to be very careful because it is connected with a little, well, with the ribbon here. You don't want to pull it out. What you want to do is slide out the tab where it's applied pressure to, and just release it like that. Now the Sega Nomad is basically made of two boards. This side has all the Genesis in it, and I believe this side is just the controller and screen. Now what you're going to want to do is, well, as you can see here, there is a screw here, 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 and here. Now these four screws here are connected to the screen. They hold the screen to this board. You don't want to take those out. You want to take this screw, this screw, this screw, and that screw out. Okay, now once you've removed all those screws, just simply turn it over and just pull it out. Now also be sure you disconnect the speaker because it's attached to the opening, or well, to the body of the frame. The easiest way to do that is that. So now you want to take the back part off, the main Genesis component. You just want to disassemble the main Genesis unit, which is the back of the unit. It holds the cartridge. You want to just unscrew these, what is it, 8 screws. Here, 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 and here. After that, you'll find 2 more, and that holds this controller port steady. We'll do that now. Okay, now once you have all those screws taken out, just pop this off. which is the cartridge slot. This RF plate, which you want to probably just grab from these ends, slide it up, and you'll see that there are 2 more screws right here. We'll just take care of those right now. Now just remember that all these screws are different. The 2 that were in these holes are skinny and long. These are skinny and short, and the 2 that were here are really big screws. And you can tell those differences if you put them side by side, and hopefully you remember where they were. Now, just you slide this out. See if I can get it without causing any damage. Oh, forgot to mention that this kind of sticks out at the end. So what you want to do is maybe bend it back a little bit, and it'll slide right out. And that is the main Genesis board. Some more RF shielding. And that is it for that. These are all the components you see here that make up the Nomad. Now, if you buy one of these on eBay, sometimes these D-pad can get really dirty. Now all you want to do is just maybe take a flathead and shove it under here. You can actually just pry it up very easily, and that will come apart, and you can clean everything out. And those of you out there who have a lot of Japanese Mega Drive games and want to play it on your Nomad, I just recommend cutting these tabs off right here. That will make it fit perfectly, and you don't have to squeeze and try to tear out your games. And don't worry about it not covering, because once you cut those out, it still has tabs on the opening here to protect it. Yeah, if you understand what I mean. See? Alright guys, that was the take apart. Hope this helped any of you out there at all. You should have a fun time doing this. Well, good luck.